as you begin to play with the collage station, there are a couple things that you might want to consider. So the first one is when you're taking your pieces of paper and you're choosing what to do with it, you can make the choice of either cutting out shapes like this, or you could try ripping out shapes like this. So if you're ripping out shapes, I would recommend making sure you get all the sides of it. Each one looks just a little bit different, but they can both be used in the same artwork, or you can do one entirely of ripped or entirely of cut. So this, a rip shape, would look fantastic as maybe a cloud or a treetop. Maybe not in these colors, but that's up to you. Or you can cut out your shapes. But either way, those are two options that you can think about doing, cutting or ripping. The next thing you can think about doing is, instead of construction paper, which is not see-through, it's opaque, you could try tissue paper. Tissue paper is a little bit see-through. So you could take tissue paper and cut or rip your shapes out of tissue paper. And if you overlap them, and if you remember, overlap is putting one on top of another, they can start to mix together a little bit. So you can try doing something opaque or translucent, which is more see-through. So it's all about how you layer it. So you can do cutting or ripping. You can try tissue paper or construction paper. And don't forget, you should overlap a lot of your shapes so that you don't have white showing. And those are a couple things you can try at the collage station.